Today we are going to make chocolate cookies for all our babas. For making the cookies, we need the ingredients which are cocoa powder, 8 spoons of butter, 1.5 cup of sugar. You can also use brown sugar, vanilla essence, baking powder, a spoon, 4 cups of all-purpose flour, a whisk, 2 eggs and cookie molds. It doesn't matter if you do not have cookie molds. The first step is to add the eggs, the sugar and the butter in a larger bowl and whisk it. For breaking and adding the egg in the bowl, you can always take the help of an adult. This takes time, but mix it till it becomes a little whitish. The result should look like this. The next step is to put 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, half tablespoon of baking powder and half tablespoon of salt. The mix will be smoother when we will add the flour, and now the step is to add it only. Make sure that when you add flour, you have to knead it together so that in the end it looks like dough. When the dough is in this stage, you have to put half tablespoon of cocoa powder in it and then continue kneading it. When you knead the dough, it is hard to knead it in a small container, so we use a larger container to do the same. The next step is to put the dough in the fridge for half an hour so that our cookie turns out crispy. I have taken out the dough from the fridge and now it's non-sticky. The next step is to take some of the piece of the dough and roll it with a rolling pin. When you roll the dough, make sure that the dough is thin. We have to cut the dough with cookie cutters. I am using the cookie cutters. You can even use a glass to do the same, etc. I have used some flour on it so that the dough does not stick on it. Till the time we are making the shapes, we have to switch on the oven so that it gets heated. The next step is to put the cookies in the oven for 5 to 6 minutes. Now close it and leave it for 5 to 6 minutes. If you notice them golden and brown, now it's time to take them out. Our cookies are ready. Before serving them, you can decorate them with any chocolate syrup or any chocolate spread. I have this Hershey's syrup, chocolate syrup with me. Now we will decorate it. Like this video, do not forget to hit that like button, and if you want to watch more such videos, hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell to get all the notifications of my new videos. Bye!